Okay, the comparison I have today is my Magic V2 versus the Pixel 10 Pro Fold.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
First we'll look into just how thin the Pro 10 Fold is compared to my Magic V2. And even in the case, the V2 is still thinner. So Google definitely wasn't trying to make their phones compete in that department. Well, with the case, it looks bigger on the side. Let's take off the case. Okay. Though the bezel does come out at the end here, it's not as pronounced as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, so it's not that bad. I do like it. Also, the fact it's not symmetrical, that also appeals to me. The side bezel doesn't come out too far, so again, they were able to shave down the shape just enough for it to appeal to me. Looking at the side of the two devices here, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold comes close, but not quite as thin as the Magic V2. And the V2 is 2 years old now. 3. But the 10 Pro Fold is wider. If you need a wider front screen, this will give it to you. Now let's open these guys up. Again, the hinge on this, I love this hinge, it's crazy. I think this is an 8-inch screen, if memory serves. And this here, let me try the brightness on this, just so you know they are comparable. Bigger screen on the V2. But I think this one gets definitely brighter. I think this is, yeah, they're both at max brightness. The bezels are a little wider on the 10 Pro Fold too. So Google wasn't really trying to enter the race of smallest and thinnest, lightest foldable device. They were just trying to make a better version of the Pixel 9 Fold, Pro 9 Fold, whatever they call these things. And I think they have. It really is to the point that I don't think I would mind having a 10 Pro Fold. I really don't. No, I don't see any way to bend the device to get into. Oh, there it is. I was looking if they had something like that. I mean, it would be weird if they did not, but just so we know. Oh, what are we looking at? Oh. What are we looking at here? Alright. Let's look at where these cameras are. Let's see how this one does that. Oh, it blows up to the full size. This one, it goes up top, so software issue. You would think that wouldn't be a thing. I'm sure that will be fixed soon enough. Controls here, controls there, controls up top. This was a lot more simplified technically than this one. This one you have things all over the place. And if you don't know what you're doing, it might seem very convoluted. This one is very simple, but I don't see the convenience of having your photo library at the bottom here. That is very convenient here, unless I'm just not seeing it right. It just opens up. So Fold app needs some work. But like with this one, when I go half, nothing happens. With my Magic V2, when I go half, you get this very convenient camera / photo gallery, so you can take a picture and it will come up right here. Boom. And you can see exactly what you're looking at. Software, of course, but very convenient software. Now, of course, you have all of the features, Add Me, Portrait, all of that stuff. That's what you would expect. That's nice. And again, like I said, very simplified here. Let's see what that looks like. That is definitely me. That's actually pretty nice. That's how you get back. Now just seeing how quickly this thing can move through apps. That's nice. That's nice. This screen. Now, I wonder, can I do multiple screens? Let's see. Can I put the camera here somewhere? Okay, camera takes over. But can I? No, there's no third. At least not that I can see. Huh. So the software isn't as interesting as software on, like I say, my V2 or even the Galaxy line. But overall, it's not a bad device if you're used to Pixel devices. Something like this is their pinnacle, and it actually is compared to what they had last year. The 9 Pro Fold just wasn't it. The 10, they've done enough to make it worth someone's attention. Now they just need to go back to the original Pixel Fold's shape and design, that passport style, with all these new features, and we'd be in business. Nope, you got it. Thank you. With that said, my name is NG, the Neon X, and really enjoying the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This is what I'm into. Now let's address the elephant in the room. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold still has no stylus input. Many will say just use your finger and write what you want to write down, and to them I say it is not the same. This is not finger painting. I am not a child. You have this beautiful screen, 8-inch screen that's just begging for you to take notes on it, and they refuse to give you a stylus for this phone. It makes no sense. Google, you need to do better. Please do not follow Samsung down this path. Make a stylus for your amazing foldable and make the rest of us happy to have it.